Hi everyone, welcome to this section. Today I'm going to tell you a very good fertilizer, and it is very easy to make it. Just you need 3 ingredients that you can get at home. The ingredients is, first is coffee, but it's coffee ground, it's not instant coffee. And see, we use it, and we use it, and we put in here the one we use it already. And also we need egg shell, not the egg, but the egg shell. This is the egg shell. What you have to do is wash it with the warm water or cold water, put in the sun and let them to dry. Then smash it with your hand or with a little mortar or with a stone, and see, you have to mash it very, very fine, because it is take a long time to disintegrate in the soil, so you have to smash it properly. If you want to put in the liquid in the blender, you can do it and do make it like a powder. And also another ingredient is the banana peel. Look, this is banana peel. What I'm going to make with this one is I put in the water and boil it, and when it's done for 15 minutes, you squeeze it. See that this is the already cooked. I squeeze it, and I got this banana tea. How you make banana tea? Let's to see the recipe here. See, 1 liter of water and 5 banana peels. This one I'm making with the 15 banana peel and 3 liters of water. See, the recipe is, you can see here, 3 liters of water and 15 banana peel. You can make 3 liters. When how you make it, this banana tea, you put the water for maybe 10 minutes. When it is nearly boiling, you put the bananas peel there, and then leave it for 5 minutes off the stove and leave it until it's cool. Then you put a phenol and put a little muslin material, and then you get this one. How we make this fertilizer? We can have 1 liter of the banana tea, 5 spoons of coffee ground, and 1 part of maybe 5 spoons of eggshell. Mix it together, put it in the liter of banana tea, squeeze it, and make check it, and then you put in there on the plant. This is a very great fertilizer. I recommend it because I use it all the time and I got succeed. This is all the plant needed. This is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It's NPK. You can, I tell you, because I use this a lot and I get succeed. If you want to research, just go online and have a look. But this is the one. It's very easy to make it. Just have a little passion with the plant to grow. And one recommended is water the plant first and then add the fertilizer. Don't just put the fertilizer first. It's always like that. I hope you can enjoy this little video, and you can get success. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.